Hello YouTube and welcome to another Microsoft Excel tutorial. So in this video I'll show you how to change data from horizontal to vertical and vice versa. So are you ready? Let's get started. So for this example we'll be taking an example. So I'll open here a sample Excel file. So actually, as you can see here, I have some data. I have actually a table that contains some data. So here I have 3 columns with 4 rows. So let's say that we want to change it from this view to another view. So I want to change it from horizontal view to vertical view. So I want actually to display the columns in rows and the rows in columns. Okay, so I can do that in a couple of ways. So here I will show you the easiest one. So as you can see here, I have 3 columns and 5 rows. So I want to inverse. So I have to select actually 3 rows, but this time 5 columns. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and I have to type equal, then a function called transpose, because actually we are transposing our data. And here I have to select my whole table. So I will select my whole table, but before hitting the enter key I will press Ctrl Shift then enter key. Here we go. And now as you can see, all my data has been transposed. So I have here actually 2 rows with the 4 corresponding columns. Okay, so here I have been using the transpose function, but there is also a very easiest actually way. I will select actually my table here. Okay, then I will right click and I will select copy. Okay, then I will go whenever I want to transpose my data, for example here. Also right click, but this time I will choose actually past special, and here as you can see there is checkbox called transpose. So I will check it and I will hit OK. And here we go. With this very easy step, we have actually transposed our data from columns to rows and rows to columns, or horizontal to vertical. So this is a very interesting trick that you can use if you are playing with Excel files in order to get a better display, a better view. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.